This little 4 horsepower Johnson threw a curve at me and took me a while to figure out. It wanted to stall, etc., run poorly with the cover on. With the cover off, it would run quite well. And this motor is kind of strange. The exhaust doesn't come out down the shaft. The exhaust comes out the base of the engine cavity. And the intake for air is on just under the front of the engine on the case. So I was convinced that it was just poor design and it was sucking the exhaust back inside. And I fought this for a while, and I was just about ready to give up on this motor because every time I use it, if the cover's not off, it just won't run properly. And I finally figured out what it was, and it's kind of simple, and I should have probably figured it out earlier. So that's the exhaust cover plate. You can see the piston and rings in there. In any case, this cover plate that was on there, the gasket had, about an inch of the gasket had blown out. And I finally figured it out because one time when I took it apart, the plugs were kind of oily, and I guess the exhaust gas and the blowing was blowing oil under the hood. And inspection of it running in the tank here, I could feel air coming out of this crack, and after cleaning it up, if I let it sit, I could see the actual seepage, and the exhaust was coming out of the crack. It would also suck air back in. You know, the exhaust, once the exhaust is open, it exhausts out there, but because there's no proper flow down where it's supposed to be, when the piston goes down, it's also drawing exhaust back in and air back in through this hole, so it's getting more burned air and less oxygen to run. I tried everything. I even was convinced, and I drilled a hole in the side of the cowl to let more air in. I've tried everything. At the end of the day, it's just an exhaust gasket, but it was very tricky to find out. So if you have an outboard that runs just great with the cowl off and runs like crap when you put the cowl on, check for an exhaust leak under the cowl, because that's probably it. Anyways, if you like this video, click on the like and subscribe. Hope it helps someone.